The Overlook Mountain Villas are luxury townhomes at their best, located atop Wisp Mountain, offering breathtaking lake and mountain views. This 3-level, open floor plan west/3 bedroom plus loft is completely furnished with quality furnishings and custom finishes throughout. You will find a wall of large windows facing the lake, giving you some of the best views in the area of Deep Creek Lake and the scenic mountain vistas. Fireplaces in the living room and family room are stone from the local area. Enjoy private community pool, picnic area, tot lot and tennis court. Also available are Deep Creek Mountain outdoor recreation areas including Aquatic Center, hiking, biking, skiing, boating, swimming, and fishing. Being near the heart of McHenry means that you are just minutes to shopping, grocery stores, restaurants, churches, and family fun activities like rope courses, zip lines, go-karts, arcade and mini golf plus 2 18-hole golf courses. Wisp Ski Resort.